Bakit hindi mo ginamit yung yung CIDG Region 3? Why did you utilize yung CIDG NCR?
Yes, Your Honor, it's just a precaution on my part, not because I don't trust yung Region 3, but because of the massive requirement of police officers to be deployed. Nag-precaution lang po kami na konti ang magiging commotion during the
So,
operation, Your
was
Honor.
the raid successful? What have you retrieved? Nakikita mo si Mayor Alice doon sa SWAL.
I never went to SWAL during his term as mayor, Your Honor. And,
Ano narinig mo
hindi.
sa kanilang dalawa?
um,
Meron ka ba narinig?
Walang masabi ah. Panoorin ang buong istorya